Thank you, Dan. A Rowlett mother is hoping to move into a new home nearly a year now after a tornado damaged her duplex and a demolition company mistakenly tore the whole thing down.
Lindsay Diaz has been living in limbo and is eager to leave 2016 behind her. Fox 4's Alex Boyer is live in Rowlett with a story you will see only on Fox 4 News.
Yeah, hey guys, and I can tell you it's been a difficult year, as you can imagine, for Lindsay Diaz. She and her 17-month-old son have been living in a rental home located just a few blocks away from where their original home once stood. Now, her goal was to be settled by now, but pending litigation and a lack of insurance have delayed that process.
Front wall was damaged from the tornado, so it was kind of caving in.
When we first introduced you to Lindsay Diaz back in March, this is what was left of her duplex located off Calypso Drive in Rowlett. Nearly a year later, a new home is beginning to take shape.
Little bathroom right here.
Cool, look baby, bathroom just for you.
And then, here you go.
Yeah.
And then your laundry room.
Getting to this point hasn't been easy, but Diaz is trying to make the best of it.
It's been pretty rough just trying to make ends meet and just try to make all these different decisions.
The duplex, which Diaz shared with another family, was damaged by a tornado the day after Christmas. Alan Cutter is the other owner.
Our side was damaged a little more severely.
Both families had temporarily moved out and were waiting for their insurance companies to come up with repair estimates when a demolition crew mistakenly leveled the place.
There was this one point, it was about a week, where I had to miss some work. I was just it all came down on top, and I finally just said, you know what, be strong. Let's just keep moving forward.
Diaz says to date, no settlement has been reached.
We filed the lawsuit, and we're still in litigation.
Underinsured and unsure of what to do next, Diaz was finally able to secure a low-interest disaster loan. The hope is to have the new two-story home complete by April.
As soon as I saw the foundation go down and then the walls start coming up, it's real.
And all Diaz wants for Christmas is to see her son settled in his new room.
There's been a lot of good things happen up to this point, so this is the best gift. It's going to take a few months to complete it, but I was hoping that we would at least start framing before Christmas, and we did. So I did get that wish granted.
And Diaz tells me that the city of Rowlett agreed to rezone her home, allowing her to build a single-family home here instead of a duplex. Now, as far as the other folks who lived on the other side of the duplex, they also had their property rezoned and have since rebuilt their home. Lindsay, of course, hopes to follow pretty soon. Reporting live in Rowlett, Natalie, back to you.
All right, Alex, thank you.